Welcome to Wednesday's Financial News Review, presented by Centrefx, a multi-award winning Forex broker. Stay tuned as we bring you the latest financial news.
Tesla dropped by 5.3% on Tuesday, closing at $225.31. The decline was attributed to broader market concerns and a sell-off in the tech sector. In regular trading on Tuesday, the S&P 500 fell 1.1%, the Nasdaq Composite dropped 1.7%, and the Dow Jones lost 0.6%, with technology stocks leading the decline. U.S. gasoline futures traded at around $2.15 per gallon this Wednesday, as inventories fell by nearly 6 million barrels to the lowest since early January, highlighting strong consumer demand. The Canadian dollar strengthened past 1.43 per USD, a three-week high, as rising inflationary pressures and easing trade tensions created a mixed economic backdrop. Ether traded at around $1,930 this Wednesday, increasing by 0.2% in the last 24 hours. Looking back, over the last 4 weeks, Ether lost almost 30%. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 3 a.m., Japan to release the interest rate for March, following 0.5% in February. At 8 a.m., the annual inflation rate in South Africa is expected to increase, after reaching 3.2% in January. At 6 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the interest rate of March, following 4.5% in February. Tomorrow's major economic events. At 12 p.m., the UK to release the interest rate for March, following 4.5% in February. At 2 p.m., the existing home sales in the U.S. are expected to decrease, after reaching 4,080,000 in January. At 11:30 p.m., Japan will release figures for the annual inflation rate of February, following 4% in January.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by Centrefx. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.